Hey guys, Jacob here. I've got the propagation promoter. These are basically used for propagating houseplants, even stubborn ones. I've also got a string of banana plant that I want to propagate, as well as a variegated Syngonium. But we're going to try out the propagation promoter, see what it's all about. As you can see, we've got a few houseplants in here. There's more back in the corner back here as well, and then some in the kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up a container with a little bit of the propagation promoter, some water, and we're gonna see what we can propagate. And I'm gonna give you live updates into actual growth of the roots and everything. I'm gonna track it for 14 days and see if we can get some plants propagated. Let's go. This is day one. I've got a tiny glass here. It says 5 drops for 16 ounces of water, but I'm just gonna do 1 drop if I can. And then I've got my little succulent here, the string of bananas. So let's go ahead and just try and do 1 drop. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and just put the string of bananas here to where it's not completely submerged, but the stem is submerged. Now, there are different ways of doing this. A lot of people will just use soil, like wet soil, to propagate the string of bananas, but I'm gonna go ahead and try out the propagation promoter. This is basically, ingredient-wise, it is 1% soluble potash, it is ammonium nitrate and potassium hydroxide. It also contains 2% kelp extract for microbial food and 1% humic acid. So this is essentially a complete solution for your rooting needs. So here's the Syngonium Albo, the albino Syngonium or the variegated Syngonium, and right there you can see the beginning of some roots. That's where you want to cut. If you're going to do a cutting, is leave it enough room to actually put out the natural roots here. So I'm going to go ahead and snip here, and what I'm also going to do is show you what this looks like from above. You can see that the next leaf coming up is mostly white, and this leaf here is also white. That's actually not great for the photosynthesis of the plant. We obviously love the white streaks and yellow streaks and everything, but we want to make sure that these leaves have some chlorophyll, otherwise they'll die off naturally anyway. So we can actually cut this back maybe even a bit further and stimulate some new growth of some darker green leaves. Let's go ahead and snip, snip. Goodbye. There's what we have. We actually have several nodes ready to put out roots and a beautiful starter. Now she's able to go ahead and focus on these leaves and this growth and put out some new growth as well. She's a little bit leggy, but this should be a good propagation as well. For this one, we're gonna do probably about 4 drops because we got a lot more water in this one. We might actually trim this one back so that this stem down here, we actually don't really need it. All right, and now the roots can actually reach the water. So you want the nodes to be really close to the water like this. That's fine, to where it's reaching down for the moisture, for the water. But also we've got nodes completely submerged as well. So let's see how long this takes to root with the propagation promoter here. This is, again, root growth hormone propagation drops, perfect for cuttings in water or soil. And it is from Houseplant Resource Center. So thank you for sending this as a sample so I can give my honest opinion. This is day 1 for the Syngonium Albo. Let's go ahead and see if this is a solid way to get your plants to actually put out roots when you're doing your cuttings. All right, it is day 3. Let's do a checkup. We've got some roots here on the string of bananas, which I am very excited about. So we got the string of banana roots. What about the Syngonium? We also have some roots coming from the Syngonium as well. So I would say so far, even after just 3 days, we are seeing some great results from the propagation promoter. I am, guys, extremely excited about the string of bananas. This is awesome because I haven't been able to get this one to propagate as easily as I would like it to. So yeah, day 3, I'll give you guys an update here pretty soon, let you know how the roots are looking, and then we'll get them planted as well. We want to get them into the soil again. It has been 7 days. The propagation promoter experiment continues. We have the string of bananas. Again, just a really nice developed root system here. And we got our Syngonium roots as well. So in my opinion, the propagation promoter from Houseplant Resource Center has really sped up the process.
In part 2, I'm going to show you the 14-day growth for the propagation drops and the plants in soil, so be sure to subscribe if you want to see part 2. Have an amazing rest of your day and happy gardening.